Hey guys, how's it going? How to turn off always on display on iPhone. Here it says the always on display setting is on by default. To turn it off, you can just go ahead to the settings, display and brightness, then turn off always on display. Tip: when always on display is turned on, you can choose whether to show your wallpaper or notifications on your lock screen. So let's verify by just going ahead to check if this is actually working. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead to the display in brightness, and as you can see, unfortunately you won't be able to see the always on section. So because I'm using a different iPhone, so I'm gonna just show you the model, right? The model name is the iPhone XR, so probably that is why I had that had that issue, right? So basically that's it. Let me know in the comment if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.